As shoppers count down the days to holiday season, a little piece of advice. Before you hand over that plastic in the checkout line, make sure you're good for it first with your credit card company.
The credit card companies today, in my opinion, are taking a lot less chances in terms of extending unsecured lines of credit.
After writing off $21 billion in bad credit card loans, banks aren't taking any more chances. They're clamping down on consumers in debt.
Credit limits on credit cards are either being reduced or the cards themselves are being closed. They don't want to extend large lines of unsecured credit in uncertain times.
That means no more $10,000 credit lines or 1% interest rate offers. Those days are gone. Debt-laden consumers across the country are already hearing their phones ring.
I have a credit card that had a $5,000 limit, but they dropped that to $3,000 limit.
As a consumer, even if you make your monthly payments on time, that may not be enough to evade having your credit line reduced, having your interest rate increased, because card issuers are looking for the red flags that may signal a consumer in distress.
As more and more consumers, even with good credit standing, are defaulting on their credit cards, consumer advocates are looking for ways to help them avoid bankruptcy. One proposal making its way to the Treasury Department pushes to allow lenders to reduce the amount of debt by those deeply in debt by as much as 40%.
Consumers will benefit because they will have an alternative. Right now, their main option if they get in serious financial trouble is bankruptcy. And most people don't want to enter bankruptcy unless they have no other choice. Lenders will benefit because they will have the opportunity to collect some of what is owed them, as opposed to nothing if the consumer enters bankruptcy.
But some experts question whether giving a break to some but not others would be fair.
How do you determine who qualifies for some debt relief and who doesn't?
The program is far from being set in stone as people continue to debate whether those drowning in debt should be saved or forced to ride out the credit storm. In New York, Bonnie Ghosh, The Associated Press.